Hi fellow beauty owls! Today I'm going to be doing a requested makeup tutorial on a video that I had on my Instagram. It wasn't really, it was like a slow video of a look that I wore to work one day. So we're just going to get right into that. I'm going to go ahead and do my face because you guys know the drill on that. So I will be right back. And we've got foundation on. On that I'm just wearing my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. Because it's just my like everyday wear one for now anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and start contouring like normal, even though you guys know that drill too, but I swear every time I do this I do it a little bit differently, so and I'm going to go in with Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. Still not feeling this. I may just need a different shade. I got it in Fair, and it's just really liquidy and like not in a good way. My beauty blender. Alright, and there we have that. I'm going to go in real quick with my bronzer using my Rimmel Sun Broad shade 022 or 22, whichever. And for the blush, I'm going to use my Dirty Little Secret in Kitty Pink. And I really do like this for like an everyday wear because it's just kind of soft and it's not crazy. And I know a lot of people don't like wearing blush anymore, but sometimes I'm just really feeling it. Alright. And then for my brows, for the first time ever on camera, so I'm a little nervous, I'm going to be using Anastasia's Dip Brow Promenade in shade Soft Brown. So, still getting used to using this, so bear with me on my terribleness. Maybe made that one a little bit long, but that's okay. I don't know why, but this eyebrow looks so much lighter than the other one. So when I'm putting this stuff on, it's just like so much darker. And I really like to blend my eyebrows out. For now anyways. There we go. And I may put just a little bit more on this end, just to make it a little sharper. There we go. And then on my eyes, like always, I'm going to be using my Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. And I'm just going to set that a little bit with some powder, because I also need to set my face as well. I don't know where that random fleck of glitter came from. Okay. All right. And now we're ready to do the eyes. And I'm so excited because for the first time in video, I'll also be using another new product. Oh, the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know that everybody has this palette now, but it's just so special to me because she's awesome. She's just hilarious, and I hope one day to be more like her, but I just don't want to use it because it's so beautiful. Jaclyn Hill, so beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and use it, and as you can tell, I have barely touched this because it's just so pretty and I don't want to touch it. So we're going to touch it. Alright. We are going to start with just a more of a chill shade. This one right here, which is Silk Cream. I'm going to use my big blendy brush for that. And this is a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a number on it, so I don't know which one it is. A big blendy brush. And I love using this for just doing like an all-over shade, and pretty much I can almost do a whole eye look with this brush because it's just so versatile. And it's fluffy, but not too fluffy because it still has some stiffness to it. And it's just fantastic. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. There we go. All better. Put just a little bit more on my eyelids. And I know I say this in a lot of my videos, but this look really is day to night. Like if you add some eyeliner, you're good to go. Typically I don't wear eyeliner to work. So next I'm going to be using this really bright orange here, and that's called Creamsicle. And I'm just going to be using a little bit of that on the outer corner of my eye so that when I go in to add the darker oranges, that it'll still pop. Alright, now I'm going to use this shade right here in the middle. Yes, that one. And that is shade Pukey. Pukey. That's a good name for a shade. And I'm just going in with an angled brush to kind of lay that down a little bit on my eye. And I'm going to go back in with my favorite blendy brush and blend that up. Something I love about these shadows is that they're so blendable. So blendable. And I haven't found that they have a lot of fallout yet anyways. I love that. I'm going to go ahead and take some more of the this orange and put it on the inner corner of my eye, just to, inner upper lid, just to give it a little bit more color. There we go. Now we've got that all nicely blended out, and I like to leave the center of the eyelid very, very light for this look. I'm going to go ahead and go in just a little bit and with this shade here. And it is Crayon Apple. Crayon Apple. And I'm going to go back in with that angle brush and grab just a little bit of it to darken up this corner out here. And I like to tap it in so that I can control how much product I put down, so that I don't accidentally put too much. Do they match? Okay, now for my favorite part of this look, we are going to be using this gorgeous blue. Oh my gosh, and it's called Jada. And we're going to be putting it on the under part of the eye. Now for this, I'm just going to use, I hate to use this brush for the, oh wait, no. I will use a different brush. And I'm pretty sure this is like for lining, but I think it's just having a flat edge is really good for doing the under part of your eye. I'm just going to go right at it. I might even take a little bit more of the first color we started with and give it my under eye a little bit more color and blend it a little bit. It's so hard for those people who have contacts to do makeup like this because it just really irritates our contacts. And if it doesn't, please tell me how you keep it from irritating your contacts, because I would love to know. By end of day, I'm just like, please take these off. And then I also like to go in with my little eyeliner pencil and do the inside of my waterline. And this is Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in color Flip Side. Go ahead and use that. And there we have that. So let's go ahead and go in and add our, so I'm going to take a little bit of this, and this is my handy dandy favorite little highlighter that I'm trying to use. I'm going to put it in on the corner of my eye. To my brow bone. Because we want to glow. I'm going to go in and put it everywhere. Just put it on my whole face. Just kidding. I probably would, if that was socially acceptable, to wear a full face of highlighter. It's just my favorite makeup product. I don't care if I'm not wearing mascara or eyeliner or foundation. Just give me some highlighter. But I have natural highlighter because I'm oily. So that's fun. Make sure I got that glow. And then I'm going to go back in with this and put a little bit on my nose. On the tip of my nose. And blendy, blendy, blendy out. And on my Cupid's bow. And of course, our favorite staple mascara, Better Than Sex from Too Faced. This is literally the best mascara I've ever bought. Who needs falsies? And I don't like to curl my lashes, but feel free. Feel free. And I'm going to go back and do a little bit on the under eye. And try so hard not to get it everywhere. And now to choose a lipstick. Of course, I don't have my nude one that I would typically wear. Use a different nude. I will use my NYX lingerie one in shade, what shade are you? Embellishment. And I will be doing a review on these. I only own 2, but I think I've got a pretty good feel for them. And for the final touch, gotta go in with some setting spray. Is this empty? Almost. Almost used my travel size NYX setting spray. And we'll let that dry because it's wet. Alright. And there you have it. And just to put it into, you know, an evening look, just throw on some eyeliner. And we're good to go. So, there you have it. I'm trying to get better at my look at my makeup looks. Am I doing good? Am I doing good? I really hope you guys like this look. It's really kind of popular right now to do the blue under eye thing. And this is also good to kind of do like a chill smoky eye. I really like doing that with the blue under eye. But I just really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all my new content and all my blogs that are being posted on my website, so don't forget to go there. And just hope you guys have a good day. Highlighter, which I just threw and caught this brush. Whoa. I threw it by accident and caught it with my pinky finger. That was cool. Wish you could have seen that. It's like a ninja. Yeah.